So we're going to look at Bitcoin right now. The weekly support is $65,500. We're above that. So really the next target I see for Bitcoin to go up to is $71,377. We'll see what happens, but that is the next weekly resistance. If you look above that, you're looking at 73,000 basically, and then above that, well, that's basically the all-time highs. But then my measured move out of this falling wedge here, or bull pennant, whatever you want to call it, on Bitcoin would take you up to $88,222. And I get that from taking the last local high to the last local low. And really, let me just make sure that that's accurate. So my measured move is, okay, maybe it's more like 87.7, but either way, it's close to $88,000 is the next measured move on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is getting closer to being overbought. It still has a little more room to go on the stock RSI, but the 2-day looks really good to me on Bitcoin, and the 3-day looks really good to me on Bitcoin. The weekly is almost oversold as well, so I like what I'm seeing on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And if you stay above that weekly support at 65,500, I do see more upside coming for Bitcoin. If you lose that level, then the bearish scenario is that you fall back down to the next massive support, which is at $60,491. And below that, you're looking at a massive move to the 57.1 area. And that's kind of what I'd be watching out for on Bitcoin. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now. And that's just, if Bitcoin stays above 65.5, I expect altcoins to do well, to do good as well. So that's kind of what I would be watching out for on Bitcoin as far as that goes. But yeah, so, and the smaller time frames on Bitcoin, I suppose, like the 8-hour chart, it's overbought, and the 4-hour chart are overbought as well. And you're trying to get back above the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, which is at 67,200. If you can do that, then I really could see a move quickly to 71,365. But overall, that's really the price you have to beat on the smaller time frames, would be that 200 moving average, which is at 67.2, 67.3 area. So it looks like you did touch that, or got close to it. You just have to get above that. And then if you can do that, the next place I'd be looking for would be the 200-day moving average, which you're already above it on the 8-hour, so that's a really good sign. Really, I think Bitcoin is really bullish here if you get above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which is currently sitting at 67.3. So that's what I'm looking at. If you get above that, then I'll be targeting 71,365. We'll see what happens. I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now, above 65.5. If you stay above that, that's all you need to know. If you guys enjoy this, appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the